Okay, so today we'll be solving nested list problem. So let's see what query is. It is given names and grades of each student in a class. So we need to store them in a nested list and print the names of student having the second lowest grade. Okay, let's see input and output format. So the sample input is 5, that means 5 student and the grades combination, and the output is Barry because Tina is 37.20, which is the lowest, and 37.21 is the second lowest. Okay, so what we're gonna do here, so first let's get them into a nested list. So let's quickly define a list here and append them into the list by creating another list. So name and score. So this has become now nested list. Now we have to sort it out. So the approach will be first sort it out with the numbers and then the name, so that we don't have to do like sorting at the next level. To sort it out is let's do sorted array. It will be sorted function, and then we'll passing the list, and then we'll have to tell this function which key to use. So I want it to be sorted with first integer value and then string values. Okay, so in this way, inside this sorted array, you will get sorted the list with which is sorted with the numbers and the string, or say characters. Okay, now let's move to find the minimum value in this nested list. So what we do is here, let's try to find, sorry, this will be here, sorted array, comma, key, I'll pass it as lambda, and then x will be, I have to sort it with the values. So in this let's say min val. Okay, now we'll have to make another list where we will remove it. So v for v in list, yeah, we're putting for list. If v of 1, that means for every list the first value is 0 1. Okay, when value is not equals to min val of 1. Okay, so that's how we will eliminate the minimum value in the list, and now we get lst1, so which is new list which does not have the minimum value. So now whatever minimum value we will have, that is the required value. So let's make it something like that, list 1 0 and 1. So that means the first value, the second value of the first list is the minimum value. Now we'll have to check if there are many more values in the list, so we have to consider the edge case as well. So let's print it. So print I 0 for I in list of 1 if I of 1 is equals val, which means if your value is equals to this value, this second lowest number, then you gotta print it. Okay, let's run the code. Okay, it failed drastically. So what went wrong? Let's try to find out. This must be sorted array. So I was removing the data from main array, but it must be the sorted array. Okay, now let's run the code. It ran, and let's submit the code and see how many test cases got executed. It is still working. Wow, is it really taking a lot of time, or just me? Yeah, So all 9 test cases got executed. Whoa, let's move to the next section.